Alright, alright. In this video, I would like to find the LCM or the least common multiple of 12 and 40. Alright, so the process that we will use is the division process, we call it in math. So we will write 12 and 40, and then since the two numbers are even, so we will divide it by 2. So surely the 2 is the common of 12 and 40. So we have 12 divided by 2 is 6, 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then we will continue because there are the two numbers are still even, and we are sure that the common of 6 and 20 is 2, so divide it again by 2 because the two are even. 3 and the 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then we stop if the two quotients are relatively prime. Alright, if they are prime already, prime means don't have any common. Alright, this is odd number and even. 3 and 10, no common numbers, so we'll stop right there. And then take note of these numbers around that forms letter L. So it forms letter L, so that means that is the least common multiple. And we will multiply all the numbers that forms letter L to, so we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 10. And this is now the least common multiple. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times 10 is 120. And so therefore, this is now our least common multiple, 120. And this is how it works. When you multiply 12 times 10, the answer is 120. And if you multiply 3 times 40, the answer is still 120. And this one right here is the greatest, or the GCF, the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor in this case, 12 and 40, is 2 times 2, which is 4. So that's our GCF. That's our greatest common factor. And our LCM, least common multiple, is 120 using this method, which is, we call it division method, in finding LCM and GCF. So there, thank you very much for watching.